This is Lily. She is kind.
Lily helps everyone. You're such a dear, Lily.
The village is lucky to have you.
Oh, you need help?
Oh, thank you, child. That would be very kind.
Here, let me help you with that.
I help you.
Okay, thank you.
It's pretty heavy. Ready?
Yes, let's go. It's fun walking together.
It sure is. Thank you, Lily.
Where is my toy?
We'll find it. Don't cry.
Where is my toy? Where is my toy? Here it is.
Oh, thank you, Lily.
You're welcome.
It's a very nice toy.
I'm glad you like it.
Yay, thank you.
Oh no!
It's okay. We'll get him out.
He's really stuck.
Hang on, pup. Push back.
Yay, he's free.
Good boy.
You are safe now.
Let's go.
Grandpa, are you okay?
I am tired. Why don't you rest? I'll finish the watering.
Thank you, dear. That would be nice. I help you.
Thank you, Lily. That would be a big help.
Okay. Apples everywhere.
What a surprise!
I am scared. I am scared.
Don't worry, I'll protect you. Come with me. It is raining. I know, let's get inside. Take this.
Oh, thank you, dear. Let's walk together. What a lovely idea.
Take this.
Oh, thank you, dear. Let's walk together. What a lovely idea.
Here, this will help.
You are kind.
I feel tired. No one helps me. I am sad. Oh no! Ouch! No one sees me. They walk away. I help all. But no one helps me. It is a bad day.
Woof.
Are you okay?
I'm okay now, Coco.
Go! Go!
Lily!
Grandpa!
It's okay, Lily. I'm here now.
I was so scared.
You're safe with me.
We are here! Hi, Farmer!
You helped me.
You're welcome!
Yay! We did!
We help you now.
Careful.
That's it, Lily. You're doing so well.
What a big girl! You are safe. There you go, all better now.
You're a brave girl, Lily.
Thank you.
You are special.
Now I understand. Kindness comes back.
We love you. We help each other.
We help each other. It is a new day. Let's help together.
Great idea, Lily. Let's get this little tree planted.
What a lovely day for gardening. It looks wonderful.
Teamwork makes it grow strong.
We are happy.
Let's help.
Okay, Lily.
Tilt it gently, like this.
I see the flowers drinking.
You did great, little gardener.
Yay, more water?
We help together.
We are friends.
Kindness is powerful.
Yes, it brings us all together.
And makes our work fun.
A little help goes a long way.
Let's help.
We are happy. We are happy. We help together.
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 Hey, cows!
Hey, wait for me!
Careful with that pumpkin! That's a lively bunch!
We are friends. Let's help together.
Yes, let's do it!
I'm planting this one. Here's another flower.
This garden will be beautiful.
All done. Yippee!
Kindness comes back.
It really does. And it spreads to everyone. Yeah, like a big hug.
Yay, we did it! Woo, woo! much fun.
Like, share, and subscribe.